In this video we're reviewing lastminute.com, a travel booking platform that promises deals on flights, hotels, and vacation packages. Before you book, here's what you should know. Lastminute.com can be convenient for straightforward bookings. Many users appreciate the competitive prices and the ability to book flights, hotels, and packages all in one place. The website and app are easy to navigate, and it works well if your trip goes exactly as planned. However, there are some caution points. Customer service is often limited or slow, and issues with refunds or cancellations are commonly reported. Hidden fees, unclear terms, or last-minute changes to bookings can also be frustrating. Some users experienced flight or hotel issues that were difficult to resolve. Before booking, make sure you check what's included in your package, understand the cancellation and refund policies, and compare prices directly with airlines or hotels. Lastminute.com can be useful for simple, risk-free trips, but be cautious if you need flexibility or reliable support. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews and smart booking tips.